Okay, welcome back to KC's Beer Room. Time for another beer review. It's Good Friday, so everyone, happy Easter. Hope you're having a good day off work and getting to get into some prawns and seafood and other good stuff as we abstain from meat today. Well, red meat, supposedly, if you're religious. So, happy Easter, everyone. For those that celebrate Easter, for those that don't, get back to fucking work. You don't get a day off. So we're going to start off this beer review for today. If we're lucky, we might get a few more in through the day. We're going to try from Moondog Brewing. It's the Goin Steady mid-strength XPA. So we're going to kick off with a mid-strength, 3.5%, just because we've got to pace ourselves through the day. Done a few Moondog beers already. Doesn't really say too much on the can, just says where they're from, Preston, Victoria. It's an extra pale ale. It's a 3.5, 0.9 drinks. So, nice looking can. It's like a tan, orangey, stripy colour. Got my glass from Beer Cartel when I ordered a mix pack, which I'll be drinking today and over the weekend. We'll talk more about that later. So that's the glass. It's a beautiful looking glass. So let's get this open. Nice big loud crack. Oh, she smells fruity. So she should be a very light colour, being an extra pale ale. It's looking very yellowy. It's only a small can, so it's not even going to fill this glass. Nice little white froth on top. Do the mandatory Instagram photo. See, it's very carbonated. It is a very yellowy camel piss colour. We got a new scale of rating colour, and it'll be different animal pisses. This looks like a camel piss to me. Yep, it smells citrusy, fruity. Let's give it a go. Yeah, tastes a bit watery. Probably guess because it's a pale mid-strength, makes it a bit more watery. Best before date 30th of August this year. So she's still alright. Still in date. Can't really say much more about it. It's very crisp. It's not overly bitter. It's got a citrusy sort of taste to it. Kendall ranking, the KC's ranking, will give it a good beer. So, not going to send it, but it's a good beer. I'll give it 2.6 out of 5. 2.6, so middle of the scale. I don't know if it's just me, but not a huge fan of the Moondog beers. I don't know why. Some of them just have a weird taste. Well, they do to me. A weird taste, like the Moondog Lager had a weird taste. The Old Mate Pale Ale, probably the best one I've had. Bit of a weird aftertaste, but you get used to it after about 8 of them. The Rice Lager, the Yuzu up there. Fucking shit. The lemon haze, which I have done, I filmed it, but I haven't put the video up on YouTube yet. Tastes like dog piss. What else have we got? I think that's it. I think I've got one more, it's their sour. So we might crack that open a bit later and give it a go. Get rid of these Moondog beers. So like I said, it's a good beer. It's a bit watery. It's not too pungent on the fruit. It's not too bitter. So it's a good beer. Good beer to start off the day. So cheers everyone. And I'll see you next time. Send it. Not too bad.